Every week, we will be posting our recorded lecture videos to our YouTube channel, MOI Citizenship. In order to access those videos, all you need to do is go into D2L to whatever week you're on. So here, this is the first week. And you're going to click on YouTube channel, which is listed. So this is not the specific video. This is our channel. But if you click on it, it will bring you to MOI Citizenship, where you will see the latest videos that have been posted. Now, I recommend subscribing to the channel by clicking this red button, subscribe. And just like that, pow, you can set up notifications for any new things that are posted. Since we're only posting lecture videos, I would recommend subscribing all. And that way, anytime we post a new lecture video, you'll be alerted. But these videos will be posted by Sunday, the week that before when you are required to watch them. So for example, next week is week 1. This video is up by Sunday. Okay? Enjoy the recording.